Your gas tank is bleeding money. Every year, the typical driver throws away over $1,200 at the pump, not because of global oil prices, but because of automatic, unquestioned habits. Gas stations are precision-engineered revenue systems that rely on you operating on autopilot. They need you comfortable and completely incurious. Well, that ends today. I've compiled 17 counterintuitive, highly effective strategies the fuel industry hopes you never find out. Stacking these habits will fundamentally restructure your bank account. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get straight into it. Number 17. Stop pumping in the midday heat. Gasoline expands when it heats up. If you fill up during a hot afternoon, the fuel is in a thermally expanded state. You're charged by the gallon, but you are getting less actual combustion energy. Pumping in the cool early morning or late evening means denser, more energy-rich fuel. It costs you nothing to change your timing, but the compounded savings are massive. Number 16. When the pump clicks, you are done. Do not squeeze it again to round up to a clean dollar amount. Modern pumps have vapor recovery systems. If you overfill, that extra liquid gets sucked right back into the station's tanks. You pay for it, they keep it. Worse, forcing fuel into a full tank destroys your car's evap system. You're trading a few extra drops of gas for a $600 mechanics bill. Number 15. Stop pumping at maximum velocity. Cranking the nozzle to full speed creates turbulence inside your tank, causing liquid fuel to flash into vapor. Those vapors, well, they just evaporate and get pulled back into the station's system. You're literally watching your money evaporate, which is never a good feeling. So pump at a slower, more deliberate pace to keep more fuel in liquid form. Number 14. Stop warming up your car in the driveway. Unless you're driving a vintage car from the 1970s, you really don't need to sit idling for 5 minutes. Modern electronic fuel injection systems adjust instantly, so there's just no need. Your engine actually reaches its optimal operating temperature faster when it's driven gently. Anything over 30 to 60 seconds of idling is just burning money before you've even left your property. Number 13. Drop the premium fuel. If your owner's manual says your car takes regular, buying premium does absolutely nothing. It gives you 0 extra horsepower, 0 better mileage, and 0 engine benefits. Honestly, you're just paying a 40-cent surcharge per gallon for a chemical property your engine can't even process. Number 12. Audit your trunk. Physics doesn't care about your convenience, honestly. Every extra 100 pounds of dead weight in your car reduces fuel economy by up to 2%. That bag of sand from winter, those heavy tools, or boxes you forgot to take out. That dead weight is costing you roughly $175 to $350 a year in wasted fuel. Go clean out your car today. Number 11. Remove empty roof racks. If you aren't using your cargo box or roof rack, just take it off. It acts as a permanent aerodynamic anchor. An empty roof box can add up to 25% more drag at highway speeds. You are paying a massive year-round fuel surcharge just to avoid a 20-minute uninstallation process. Number 10. Use cruise control. Humans are terrible at maintaining a steady speed, let's be real. We constantly accelerate and decelerate, which burns excess fuel. On the highway, cruise control settles your engine into a steady state, improving your fuel economy by 7 to 14%. Let the computer do what it was engineered to do. Number 9. Stop driving aggressively. Hard acceleration floods your engine with gas. Slamming on the brakes turns all that expensive kinetic energy into, well, useless heat. Stop reacting to traffic and start anticipating it. Coast to red lights. Accelerate smoothly. This single habit can actually boost your city MPG by up to 30%. Number 8. Check your tire pressure monthly. Don't wait for the dashboard light. Underinflated tires create massive rolling resistance. For every single PSI you are missing, your fuel economy drops. Check your driver's side door jamb for the correct pressure, especially in the fall when dropping temperatures naturally deflate your tires. Number 7. Replace your engine air filter. Your engine needs to breathe. A clogged filter restricts airflow, forcing the engine's computer to compensate, which quietly drains your fuel economy by 2 to 6%. It's a $15 part that takes 10 minutes to replace, and it protects a $15,000 engine. Okay, number 6, manage your electrical load. Your alternator actually runs off your engine, so if you're, blasting the heated seats, the rear defroster, and charging a bunch of devices, your alternator creates mechanical drag. That just means your engine has to work harder and, well, burn more fuel. So turn off those comfort features the second you don't need them. Number 5, consolidate your errands. When your engine is cold, it runs a rich fuel mixture, burning way more gas for the first 10 minutes. If you make like 3 separate trips throughout the day, you pay that cold start penalty 3 times. But if you group your errands into one continuous loop, you only pay it once. Number 4, don't wash your car for MPG. There's this myth floating around that a clean car slips through the air better and saves you gas. But honestly, it's entirely false. The drag from a layer of road dust is so tiny, it's basically unmeasurable in the real world. So, wash your car to protect the paint, but don't trick yourself into thinking a $15 car wash is saving you money at the pump. Number 3, check the ethanol blend. Price per gallon is kind of a trap. Ethanol actually contains about 1/3 less combustion energy than pure gasoline. So, a station selling a cheaper E15 blend, which is 15% ethanol, will actually give you fewer miles per tank than a station selling E10. You might be paying less per gallon, but you're burning through the tank much faster. Number 2, avoid the highway markup. Stations that are right off major highway exits or near airports usually charge a massive premium for convenience. If you just drive 1 or 2 miles into the local town, you'll routinely see prices drop by 15 to 30 cents a gallon. So plan your stops before you're running on fumes. Number 1, look for the cash discount. Credit card companies charge gas stations processing fees, and those stations pass that cost directly to you. A lot of stations offer a tier pricing system where paying with physical cash or a direct debit card saves you 10 to 15 cents per gallon. It's a zero-effort way to instantly lower your bill.